Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can slow down your video in MyMovie. So all you want to do is just click on your video, go to speed, and then you can slow it down like this. Or just slow it like only, I don't know, 1.6. Or just quite slow but not that much. So that's how we can slow down the video. What I recommend, okay, this is going to be normal. What I recommend, just when you're gonna press edit and trim, you will change it to 2 parts of your video. If you wanna slow down only part of your video, like not whole, I'm going to choose it now. I'm going to speed. I'm going to decrease the speed. And as you can see, it's much longer. And when I'm going to play, it's much slower, it's really slow. But then the normal videos comes out and it's really normal. It's just normal. So that's how we can slow down your video. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write me in the comments what else would you like to learn from MyMovie, and I will make a tutorial on it. Thank you and goodbye.